see some new stuff, right? So we were having a little bit of a low boost issue. It wouldn't build very fast. It definitely had a boost issue, and I thought for sure it was the charge air cooler. And I was about to go buy one, but I figured, oh, we might as well test it, right? So can't find my fancy tester that I have somewhere, so I end up making that little doohickey, right? And I actually had to wrap some rubber on here to get it to seal because my intake off the turbo is a little bit bigger, but just a 1/4 inch nipple T gauge Schrader valve, right? And we come over here, take that off of the intake tube, spin it around so that it just goes right there, and put the air to it. And every single connection on all the boots were leaking, and the old clamps were bottomed out. So, you know, instead of just replacing clamps, we went all new boots. And since we had it apart, we painted all the tubes, you know, made it look pretty and cool. So, but so far it seems better. So you never know. Instead of just going out and spending, you know, $500-600 on the charge air cooler, test it first. So, and then while we were at it, we were did the oil and everything. So, you know, it was $1,000 a day almost, just doing maintenance on the truck. And then I had a leak here coming out of that fitting, the oil pressure gauge fitting. And as soon as I went to touch it to tighten it up, the thing just fell apart. So I had to go, went to go make up a new one here this morning. So I just made up a new hose out of hydraulic, and we're gonna put that on there. So that's kind of what I've been doing. That and the house stuff. The house stuff's kind of boring, dealing with bankers and stuff and getting utilities in. So anyways, folks, that's about it. Just wanted to do a check-in with you. I can't say anything one way or the other about the what's happening right now. Just barely hanging above the $40 mark. I mean, break-even mark, and then that's not what North Dakota is with the discount. So I honestly don't know what to say. Are they bringing production back? Sure. Is it getting a little bit busier? Sure. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. As for me, drilling completions at a 40-year low, that's the benchmark for me. That's, you know, when we start to see, you know, the drilling rigs come back and the fracs and the completions, that's when I think things will be changing. I'll get excited then. So I want to see us drill our way out of this. Anyways, alrighty folks, y'all take care, stay safe, and be blessed, and we'll see you soon.